Do you want to learn how you can create this halftone effect with just an easy way? If you said yes, then this tutorial is for you. In this tutorial, we learn how we can create this beautiful halftone effect. With that, you can make your image beautiful. So to learn this, let's get started the video. To follow this tutorial, you can download an image from a description. In a first step, just go to the adjustment layers and select here this color fill layer. With this color fill layer, we are adding here a color on our image. I am selecting here this white color. After this, I am just hit on a OK button. Now this white color is added on our image. I am just decrease here its opacity to see a pass through our image. I am just decrease its opacity to a 44%. After this, just select this mask and go to side panel and select here this brush tool and just select here this soft round brush and increase here its size. I am just press here a bracket key to increase my brush size. I am just dab on my image. Make sure you select here this foreground color to a black. After dabbing on your image, just go to top panel and select here a filter. In a filter, just select here this pixelated and I am selecting here this color halftone. With this color halftone, we are creating here this halftone effect. I am just selecting this. Now you can just play with these values. I am just increase here a value of this angle 1. I am just type here a value of a 40 degree. With these values, our this halftone effect is start to creating on our image. I am just selecting here a value of a 40 degree of angle 1 and also selecting here a value of angle 2 to a 40 degree and I am also changing here a value of angle 3 to a 40 degree, because with this all the halftone effect is aligned to a systematic way. If you want to a halftone effect in a different angles, then you can select here different values of these angles 1, 2 and 3, but I am selecting here same value to the all angles of a 40 degree. You can also increase or decrease here a value of this radius. When you are increasing here a value of this radius, you can see here I am just choosing here a value of 15 pixels. After selecting here 15 pixels, you can see here this halftone effect is shrinking, but I am just now selecting here a value of 8 pixels because I like that value. You can select according to your taste which you like on your image, but according to my image I am just selecting here 8 pixels. After this, I am just hit on a OK button. Now you can see here this halftone effect is added on our image. To make it more visible, you can just increase here its opacity. I am just increase here its opacity. If you want to increase its opacity to a full, you can select here 100%, but I am just selecting here a value of 87%. Now you can see here this halftone effect is added on our image. This is before, this is after adding this halftone effect with just one layer. That's it. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like this video and also subscribe this channel for more tutorial like this. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.